heart, the bluebird, the blue feather, the blue flame, the path to your deity. Blue's always been a favorite color of mine. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back. My name is D, and together we are Guiding D-Light. Whew, what a great time to be alive. Find the blue bird. Find the blue flame. Find the blue ring given to you from Sirius. Find that deity aspect and view the quantum through a lens that only the chosen ones will see. And we will reconstruct the deceit that the powers that were try to put on us. It's gonna be a great time. We got to the gate to figure it out, right? Get in there. Find the blue flame. Find the blue feather. Carry it home. Turn that light on in your soul. You guys stay awesome. Be you. Stay true. Till next time. Peace.